Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to allow clients to see a post in Basecamp. All right. It's actually pretty easy. So first up, open up your project and you could allow clients to see a post from message board, a chat, schedules, almost everything right here. Okay. For example, message board, click on it. And when you go ahead and click on new message, you have that option in here. Allow the client to see this too. Just tick on this radio button and just start typing your message. Okay. Another option right here under chat. Okay. It says here, this chat is private to our team. You can go ahead and change whether you allow your client to view this as well. Just click on change and allow the client to see this too. Click on it and hit on save changes. It says here, note, the client will see all existing conversations in this chat. So keep that in mind. Going back, and here we have schedules. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a new event. Okay. Now you have that option as well. Allow the client to see this too. And that's basically it. That is how you allow clients to see a post in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.